Hey, Steve and Alyssa here with Meatless Makeovers. And today we're going to be making a garlicky broccoli rabe with a vegan tempeh sausage.
This recipe is terrific because it can be enjoyed as a side dish, or you can also just add some fresh pasta for a complete meal. Furthermore, you can also serve it on crispy bread as a sandwich or even toasted baguette slices for a fun app.
Yum.
Yep, let's go ahead and get to it.
First, in a small bowl, you're going to mix together your tempeh sausage coating and crumble your tempeh. You can cube your tempeh, but crumbling it mimics the look and feel of crumbled sausage.
Next, peel and slice your garlic into thin slices. Alternatively, you can mince the garlic if you want the garlic flavor more evenly distributed. Then, roughly chop your broccoli rabe. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be too small. When it's steamed, it will wilt and it'll be more manageable to eat.
Then, toast your fennel seeds in a dry pan over medium-high heat. Now, add the oil and the crumbled tempeh and stir occasionally until the tempeh begins to brown. This should take approximately 3 to 4 minutes.
Then, add your sauce mixture and stir until the tempeh is coated. And then remove the tempeh from the pan and set aside.
Next, in a clean pan, add oil and your sliced garlic and allow the garlic to brown slightly. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Add your chopped broccoli rabe and a 1/4 cup of water and cover to steam.
Then remove the lid and add crushed red pepper if desired for a little bit of heat, and simply stir occasionally until the majority of the water has evaporated. Finally, add your tempeh sausage.
And there it is. It's all done. It's that easy.
And to tell you the truth, the first time I tried broccoli rabe, I really didn't like it. It was just too bitter for me. But with this recipe, if you've had the same experience, I promise it won't be nearly as bitter. It's actually amazing. And that's because the savory tempeh really cuts down on the bitterness along with all of the garlic flavor.
We better try it.
So the way we're gonna have it is just to sample it just as a little side. But as we mentioned, if we're gonna have this for a meal, we'll just serve it with some pasta, maybe even some chickpea pasta so it's gluten-free. Or you can also serve it over bread like as a sandwich. So, all right.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm excited. The other nice thing I'll say is I can tell just by, by putting my fork into it, the broccoli rabe is not overly cooked. It still has a little bit of crispiness to it, so it keeps all of its vitamins and minerals. It really is still nutritious the way it's cooked this way. It's not overly cooked. It's super healthy.
And the fennel and the garlic, it just comes right to the top. It's so good.
Yep. And that tempeh sausage, amazing flavor, especially with that broccoli rabe, as we mentioned, and so garlicky.
Let us know if you make it in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today.
Yep. Take care.